Hello, welcome back to my channel. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss any future tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up DM messaging to reach multiple people on Instagram safely and effectively. First, click on the Send Message feature. Remember, using proxies will help protect your accounts from being banned. Go to the Scan Data feature to start building your target list. Select Scan Followers of an account to collect usernames. This feature allows you to scan all the followers of any Instagram account. Simply prepare the link to the account you want to scan. For example, here's an account with 588k followers. Copy the link to this account and paste it into the software. Choose how many usernames to scan and whether to scan followers or following. Select the account to run this feature and click Start. In seconds, you'll have your target list ready. You can also scan usernames by keywords related to your niche or industry. The software automatically finds and collects relevant usernames. Now, return to the Send Message feature. Paste the list of usernames you copied earlier into this section. Set up your sending parameters and create your message templates. In Message Management, you can create messages with images and videos. Or just type quick short messages directly here. Finally, select the account to send messages from and click Start. Don't forget to use proxies for safety and subscribe for more Instagram automation tips.